Alright, so this is the planes mission everyone's talking about. Like, a couple of years ago by now. Like, I miss the old Call of Duty, guys. Like, this is the classics that are right here. Like, from Black Ops 2 to and Modern Warfare in 2019. Everything back then was just good. Anything else is just shit. But let's listen here.
There is no fighter escort past the channel, and you will be flying in broad daylight.
I believe this is also based on a real event. I just don't know which one it is.
A heavy industrial complex outside of Rotterdam. It's a short flight.
Don't you mean Nottingham? I'm old. In terms of movies, I guess.
Expect heavy fighter resistance. Probably 109s. Fast and deadly. Keep in formation, deliver your bombs, and get home safely. I'll buy you all a round in the mess.
Yes! Give me my whiskey, damn it! Alright, let's see. I'm gonna do my best British impression here. So, September 2nd, 1941. Our target for today is an industrial complex inland from Rotterdam. That looks like a decay, but oh well. We're holed up again in this damn yank rattle trap. Is that a word? Okay. The RAF... the hell is that word? Oh well. Calls to... yeah. To call Fortress 1. Give me the good old Lancaster any day. Although I must say, these B-17s can take a hell of a beating and are armed with enough 50 caliber machine guns to repeat the entire Luftwaffe. I just hope we never have to put that to the test. I still don't see the Wisman that flying so high that we can barely see our targets much that we can miss half the time through my enemy territory. In broad daylight! Sheer folly, I say. Folly? I don't know, I don't speak British. Even the fighters want to escort us much farther than Dover. Jerry has lots of Messerschmitts 109s ready to greet us. I am still amazed after the 22 missions. I'm still in one piece. In a good bit of luck, I say. I hope it lasts. Alright. So, this is the plane mission. Now, before anyone says like, why is there no one here? Why does it look more HD? I know, and I don't mean to insult you, but this is not Call of Duty 1 United Offensive. Well, it is technically, but it's a Gmod adaptation, because I don't have it, because I lack the funds currently, and I don't think Call of Duty 1 exists for the PC, I think. But this is as close I get to the plane mission, and this is also the earliest mission from what I understand. This and Red Army Training for Call of Duty 2, which I do have, but it's only Xbox 360, which I have no idea to use. So let's use this. As we're in a B-17 Flying Fortress with dual Browning and 50 cals. Can't remember the exact name of it, but it's Brownings anyway. Flak, hang on. What did you say, Skipper? But anyways, so this is a flak or akak. Akak or flak is basically these. Think of how do I explain this properly to a normal person? Well, they explode in air like they're doing here, not as an intimidation or a warning. It's because these shells, or most of them, are set by altitude. So we're like, I don't know what high altitude is, but I guess like a couple of thousand meters. And they explode at like random, what's it called, random altitudes, I think, in an attempt to hit some of the bombers here. And oh god, you see that they hit one of my bomber homies. Oh. Hey, we passed the first flag belt. Shouldn't be too much of a fuss now. Oh god, I'm turning British. Not that it's discrimination against the British. I'm just used to American, you know. You know, everyone talking American. What do you mean? Fire away! There you go, Fritz, have a whoa! Oi! Don't fly into my fucking ball turret. I don't know, it's called ball turret on top of it. This is supposed to play with at least more people, but I can't because I don't have friends right now with players now. To play, but they're not online. You get what I mean? Also, sorry, friendly bombers. I don't need to shoot you, but I need to get all the. Ah, right. Over Portrait. Aye, skipper or captain. I don't know your names because I just recently got repeated into the IF apparently. And I don't know when it comes to like language. When it comes to country nicknames, but I think German is called Fritz. Well, Captain, it might be coming from the highly active Luftwaffe airfields like they were shown in the briefing. No, but there is so much everyone. I'm not supposed to, I don't know what to do. If we have recruited more than just one dude. No, come on, pull yourself up. Do not dare die on me. Damn it. We lost the bomber. We need to get what back. Oh yeah, we're getting hits. Get in the turret! Didn't expect a tail gun, did you? Oh god, we lost another bomber, and you're looking in bad shape too. Okay, first wave is passed anyway. Die, Fritz! Ah, you. He escaped. Alright, so... tail is partially fine, but half of it is kind of wrecked. Got a few bullet holes here, but nothing serious. Radio compartment is good. We can maybe not talk to people. And you're looking pretty bad. You're looking really bad. I think we're gonna survive it. Come on, we're flying fortresses. Come on, this is what the. Background. I noticed that, skipper. Anyways, we're surviving this. Come on, this is American-made B-17 flying fortresses. Like, come on. Do I act nervous? No, I don't act nervous. What the hell are you talking about? Unlike most planes modern planes today, like you have these two big huge holes which made it you're not having pressurized, so you need to have like these big tanks to get air into your system. Because I believe the only place here is like the cockpit, but they also need like masks. I wish you could see my face, but I can't. But I'm also wearing a mask, but this like a portable one. Can I stop acting nervous? It's just bloody ack. The flag got scared of me when I said it. Oh god. And anyways, I'm carrying like this temporary. It's like not meant for all time use, but it's just when if you go back and forth between places. I'm gonna take the tail gun for now. Oh, this is so uncomfortable. Oh yeah, right on cue. Fire marks. Oh, I called it. Die! Yeah! Take this, you bloody Germans! Got it. On my watch. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh. I'm so glad there's no physics for— Ow! Ow! That hurt. I should have worn my flak vest. I'm getting out of here. Oh god, the tail is messed up. Yep. Get up in the ball turret. Please, may go. You're down. Also, there's like a score system that you can compare guns with. You can see like the bottom left corner is like stars or the plus honor things. The more you shoot, the more— Ow. Whoosh! Thank you, Isaac Newton, for not inventing plane physics in planes. So, they're both fairly tanky, but they're also bullet spreads. I don't know. Oh shit! Oh no! Okay, the compartment here is— turn it! I don't want this plane to explode. I'm running, skipper. Or captain, I don't know which one. Like the spread of these is horrible. We have long barrels, not only the carriage, but also the accuracy. What? Whoa. My second wave survived. Oh yeah. It's like, we're in a fortress, it should not be messed up like this. Like, there was one famous story about our whole B-17 being so messed up. You can see like compartments and stuff being just so— you can like see through it, like— yeah. And there was like a German fighter plane who was gonna shoot it down, but was like, holy shit, should I even be doing this? And had like— and actually escorted the bombers because he saw like all the crew members like in covered in blood, bullets, like— oh, we're flying, oh, we're dying. So he escorted them past the channel. And it was so risky because friendly— or quote friendly, because I don't know. Because his fellow German fighters can easily see him as a traitor and shoot all of them down. But he didn't. And he would return home safely, and he was never caught for treason, I think it's called. So yeah. And also heard that— or heard, I don't know, because it's still unclear to me, because I saw it on History Channel that the pilots and the dude actually met together and in fact actually thanked each other. Now please write in the comments that if I'm right or not, because I'm only going by what the History Channel said and what I don't remember. And to people who know me personally, I am no good memory. To some things anyway. I remember things like genius, and sometimes we just plain old forget. And how do we even talk to each other? Because the entire radio compartment is fucked. I don't even know what that part is meant for. Should probably get back in my turret because the flag is because the flag is over, and I guess another wave is coming in. I think we're gonna drop the bomb soon because I can see the countryside now. Soon we're at the industrial complex. God damn it. Anyone who knows? Whoa! Alright. God damn it, we're getting shot everywhere. Shutting down. Here we go. 2 more. Yeah, what am I supposed to do? It's only one gunner here. Die. Yes. No. No, my best friend is in here. Come on, pull up, damn it. No, Vettel, no. It was. Well, I failed the mission. I didn't even drop the bombs. Let's try this again, I guess. Right, trying this shit again, and this time I swear I'm gonna try to not get us all killed again. So, like, to be honest, like everything from it, like, this is my personal opinion, I don't know about yours, and yours is fine. Alright, is that from Black Ops 2 and exception of Modern Warfare 19, like, those were some good ass games, like there were bugs, but it weren't like game breaking, but like they were so good and everything, like historical value. You can see the carpet bombings, or I don't know if it's called carpet bombings, but strategic bombing campaigns that crippled Germany and everything. And yeah. And nowadays we're putting laser beams and fucking borderline hentai shit in World War II games. Because, like, I don't know about you, but my grandfather always fought with like fucking Azula with M16 on the beaches of Himalaya or whatever. That is basically Call of Duty World War II games nowadays. Sometimes I wonder if Call of Duty is going to survive so much longer. But enough about the rants. Let's shoot out some goddamn Jerry planes. Once this flag help me up! But once this flag runs, flag big boom over. Okay. So yeah, you can tell that my grammar sometimes is so goddamn worse. 2 hits? Damn. Also, a neat thing. Okay, I'm getting right scared now. Okay, a thing is that many people think like, oh, you lose one engine, your plane is fucked. It's not necessarily that you mean you're fucked, because if you lose both of these engines, because if they have 4, right? If you lose 2, sure, you might have some problems because they're unperforming, but it's gonna keep you in the air for, well, it's gonna keep you in the air better than crashing. But if it's real bad, well, yeah, you don't want to be in here. Plus the bolt turret gunners, on there is gonna have the worst time ever. Okay. I'm not letting you kill me or my friends again. Yes. You fucking Germans. Also, I'm sorry to be German, but you have to understand what I'm doing. This is World War II. Because every man for himself in these times. Also, I know this is game limitation. I know this is game limitation, but normal machine guns on planes doesn't go like this. It goes so much faster because your target's gonna be like on visual sights, gun range. Just a second. Whoa! Stop ramming! You're Germans, not Japanese kamikaze pilots. Like, I get that aerial can be sometimes chaotic, but I don't think it's realistic. The Germans are fucking kamikazing themselves! Well, if there are 12 o'clock high, maybe one of you can get off your ass and get on the turret! Whoa! There's like 12 separate locations I should be dead, excluding where I actually got shot a couple of times. It was that. Fuck me. I got crashed by a wing. How is this? Like, I'm good at Call of Duty, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong, I'm not bad at Call of Duty. Like, I play shit on veteran. But goddamn. One failed attempt and one death to a plane kamikazing itself into me. Like, I get it. It's a hard game on veteran, especially this one when I have limited health. And these aren't sustained, are built to deflect bullets. And not like plain wings and everything, but oh my god, I think Isaac Newton updated his fucking laws. Like, alright, if it's near player. Anyways, I'll try not to die. I'm trying to keep this as short as possible. And yes, we're going to try to drop these bombs, as I will not stop until these bombs are dropped in the goddamn complex. Because if it weren't for your grandfathers or grand-grandfathers, I don't know what they would call you, but if it weren't for them, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be here with the fucking angry mustache man concept, because you make me. But we would be here on the life lottery, strict supervision. Because I read a bit of fascism, and if you've seen Wolfenstein, no good business. Why did I sound like that green dude from Star Wars 1? Your grace is granted. Anyway, sidetrack upon sidetrack. I am dumb. Also, I wonder what kind of pounds they have, or kilograms, because I think these are 500 to 5,000. I don't know I don't know bump mechanics. So, when anyone can correct me, please do it, because I can't do it now. Because Messerschmitts. Blood. Please do not take me again! I live. Whoa! Okay, I know Germans were good pilots, but I don't think they were this good. Because I think even German pilots, or any pilots for that matter, have the common knowledge of like, you know what, I'm gonna take care of that aircraft for like a couple of meters, like a good airplane way away, that they'll crash into it. And I have never, whoa, that's too close for comfort. Because I never would been in a plane, and every plane game I have, I always hypnotize myself because like on the fly one can save my life. But even I know that not this close to flying any planes or bombers, planes. Oh! I would have got my head. I got the freshest haircut from those Boleros. No, Skipper, we have bandits everywhere. If we had more gunners, we were not having this problem. Out of the tail gunner, like out of all the shots. Ow! Ah! Out of all. For now, got it right, but. Still, like, I think the most dangerous job in the bomber plane, yeah, especially in these bomber planes, is that the ball gunner and tail gunner, because tail gunner can get shot all the time, because planes often choose to come backwards, and they shoot over there, like it did to me like 2 times today. And the bolter gunner, I don't know about the danger, but if the plane is like the both engines and stuff gets boom, bam, it's going down. Everyone can bail out rather easily, but you have to get this, like, let's say I'm going like this, have to figure out where's the front is in a matter of seconds, point these guns all the way down, why am I walking? Point these guns all the way down, and then shimmy your way up with your parachute, because you have to grab your parachute because there's no room here. And then pray for God that you're able to go, because either the plane explodes or you're already on the ground or too low level to even save yourself. So yeah, those who were in these balls of death were both uncomfortable, freezing, fucking claustrophobic.com. Yeah, no good time for them, man. And salute to those motherfuckers. Like, they sacrifice so much to keep liberty and everything. Like, even my grandpa, I don't know where he fought, but as a Scandinavian, we do not fight that much, especially now. But I think if I had to take a while, no! Come on, pull up! You don't have to. Come on, you bail out, God's sake! Oh, God damn it, keep losing people. Anyway, so from where Scandinavia is, I'm guessing my grandfather fought in like the Finnish-Soviet Winter War as a voluntary. I'm not too sure, because I don't know my family tree that much and where he served, not served. Because Sweden were cowards, or not cowards, but you get what I mean. No good military. The Third Reich was like the big boy and overtook almost whole of Europe in a matter of months. Attacking my bomber ball. Hell, my grammar is shit. Can you die? Also, those like machine gun people used machine guns in this game. Ah! Is there anyone who knows how to use machine guns in this game? Like, how long is between bursts they didn't for real life? Because I've just been holding down the trigger until it dies, because I don't think we're very ammo efficient and probably causes heat, but I don't know. Whoa. I got broke. But I just, I'm like that maniac. Like, spray and pray until it's dead. Oh, you're not gonna take me again. So if the Germans were this good at decapitating people by running so close to them, then what the hell was the Japanese? Because, alright, I'm going like on history rants and everything all the time, but like the Japanese at the time had the best pilots in the world due to them being hardened by this war in China and stuff. But I need to get more health, otherwise I am killed, because where's my goddamn flag rest? Well, I don't think we can sustain much more hits. We must reach the bombing point. Drop down. Oh god, I'm stuck in geometry. Taking a shitty guess here. Bombardier, you have control! Come on, crank it. Crank it. Crank it. Life depends on it. Come on! Like, I'm much faster than this, guys! Come on! I used to operate CNC machines. I can go much faster if I need to. Come on, hit it, hit it. Did I do it? Bombardier, was that an okay? direct hit! We did it, fellas! We have sabotaged, or not sabotaged, but you get it. Messed up their plans again. Now to slowly crank it back down. Like, trust me guys, I work CNC machines. I can go much faster, but I'm very tired because I can't feel my arms out of shooting the machine guns. No, don't tell me. Come on, crank it, crank it! Who's going down? Oh, we're not looking good. We only have one good wing, and the other one's pretty messed up with only one engine that also looks messed up. Oh god, look at it! We're gonna survive another one. Good thing I have a parachute on me. Like I did. God. Why am I coughing? I'm not coughing. Hiccup. What is it? Wow, wow, wow thing I hear? Is it the engines going unsynchronized? Or is it my friends having unsynchronized? Still, pretty bad. We already bombed your factories, boys! It's pointless fight now! Oh no! Die! Okay, why are our entire chunk wing missing? Ow! Oh. These Germans are nuts! Sorry, I smoked with your friend. Another health kit. Can't afford to die now. Oh god, oh god, ouchie! Oh no, I see you there. Oh god, I can hear more friends going down. I know each one of them personally. Oh god, look at my high score. Oh god, I think I shot down my friend. Oh no, oh no. Sorry, I did not mean to shoot it down, I was talking to Jerry. Oh, I'm gonna go to court martial. Oh yeah, we're being picked off. We're so doomed. God damn it, Americans. These are called fortresses. You didn't say they were brittle. I almost smoke checked my friend. Whoa! Stop giving me fresh haircuts. Like, I appreciate it, but still. Oh no! Come on, fail out or something! Do it! Apparently just despawned. I think they're fine. Yeah, they're fine. Totally fine. Totally will not come haunt me in my dreams. And how the hell are we not... Okay, I think I know what they mean by fortress. It can get fucked up so bad, but it can still fly. I still believe we won't survive the next one. Because I believe more flak will come and then even more planes. So I just want to say thank you for coming with me on this journey. This is not mean the end of the episode, but I'm gonna die again. And I'm talking to my bomber homies because we're gonna still like record and stuff. Like, I don't know the other mission that they come play us after this because I'm trying to do it mission order. Please do not hit me, please. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to do this in order, more or less. So I get this mission, the mission after that, and so on and so forth. hope this thing has also pilot, because we're driving with no one. Or I guess the bombardier has control, because he said, because the B-17s had this neat feature that that the bombardier can control the plane if everything goes to shit. Like some planes come here to strafe the pilot, so the bombardier can. I get a co-pilot, gunner, and bombardier. What the? What? Huh? Okay, so apparently we have magically reloaded bombs. Okay, I get this is like Gmod and everything, but I don't think we can reload bombs like this. Or G-Man just 1941 G-Man just came to be like, Hocus pocus, you now have more bombs. But hey, we're gonna keep bombing shit, I guess. Oh god, so scary. But still, we're gonna keep bombing them because we have bombs, I guess. Also, if you wonder why they're saying like 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock, it's like a clock facing forward, because it's like telling their direction without saying like it's left, and they're gonna say like we're left, because this whole side can be considered as left. But if they say 6, they can be like okay, straight back, or 5, or right there. Or I know 5, so but you get my point. Yeah, man. We're I wonder if my pilot home is gonna survive, because we still have payload. But thank you for watching this. We're gonna continue the next one very shortly. What the? Oh, okay. So we're currently descending down into outside Rotterdam. I don't know where in France we are, because we just got shot down. But thank you so much for watching. I can see you again in the next mission, whenever that takes place. Gonna take ages to find that out. But like and subscribe, and you know my motto: glory to the people, for the people. Or for the people. I'm still working on it, guys.